In this video, I will show you how to play Realms of Pixel on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you have been looking for a way to play Realms of Pixel on PC, which is currently available on Android, there is a way to do this by using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an app player and it's actually the best platform to play Android games. What it is, it's an Android emulator, so it allows you to play different Android games on your PC or laptop. What I will do is leave a link to this page in the video description down below, but if you go ahead and click onto that link just below this video in the video description, you'll be taken to a website like this. Now, from here, you're going to see an option here which says play Realms of Pixel on PC. So what you can do is give this a click. What that's going to do is download the BlueStacks installer onto your PC. So once that's downloaded, what you can do is give it a click. And then what you can do is run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Now, after it's installed, you're going to see a window like this where it says launch. Go ahead, give that a click. And what that's going to do is launch BlueStacks on your PC. So by default, it should take you to the installation page for Realms of Pixel. And you should see a button now which says install from Google Play. So what you want to do is go ahead, give that a click. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this where you can go ahead, click install, and it's going to start installing Realms of Pixel onto BlueStacks. Now, at this point, you might be wondering, well, why should I use BlueStacks to play Realms of Pixel? So coming onto the official BlueStacks website, there's actually a number of great reasons and features on BlueStacks for why you might want to consider installing BlueStacks and using that to play Realms of Pixel. Now, of course, the first most obvious thing is playing on a PC does give you the chance to use game control, so you can use like a keyboard and mouse or a gamepad, which is brilliant if you do not get on with touchscreens. The controls are pre-programmed for each game, but you can of course customize them to your personal preferences. Now, in addition to this, you do have the option to play multiple games simultaneously using BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager. So this enables you to have multiple games running, so you can skip between different games and play different games all at once. There's also a macro feature which allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press, which can come in very handy for certain games, as well as an eco mode which optimizes PC usage when running multiple instances. Now, in addition to this, they do also offer real-time translation, so if you have games exclusive to certain countries, which you do not know the language for, BlueStacks is actually going to translate that to your local language, which is a great little thing because it gives you a chance to play games that you might want to play, but you can't play because, of course, you do not know the language. Of course, also playing on a PC does give you a higher FPS, so enabling a higher frame rates for a much smoother and better gameplay experience. In addition to this, of course, all games can be played in full HD, and it's just a ton of other features, as you can see here, for why you would want to consider using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC or laptop. So here we are, as you can see, Realms of Pixel has now finished installing. What you now want to do is go ahead, press the play button, and it's going to launch Realms of Pixel. When you initially load the game, it might just take a couple of minutes to run through as it's going to install updates, so you just want to give it a couple of minutes to load through. As you can see, the updates have now finished and we're currently here in game. So as you can see, there's a few system notices and welcome bonuses, things like that. So we're just going to go ahead, click anywhere off screen, and here we are in game. So what I'm going to do is just click to launch the game, and as you can see, the game is actually running really smoothly. You can see there's actually no lag, it runs really well. What I'm going to do is just skip past to win the actual gameplay, and you can see in the gameplay mode that everything is working absolutely fine. So that's how to play Realms of Pixel on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.